Now the judge is on mute. Sharon, I think Justice Friedman is on mute.
I believe so. Justice Friedman, can you hear us?
Did you not hear me?
No, Your Honor, Judge. I apologize.
Okay, we'll start again. The Appellate Division First Department is now in session. Good afternoon and welcome to this virtual admission ceremony for new attorneys. Ms. Schwartz, please proceed.
Good afternoon and may it please the court. I, Sharon Schwartz, staff counsel to this court's Committee on Character and Fitness, am honored this afternoon to present to the court 42 applicants for admission to the bar. Further, I am pleased to report that the committee has examined the records of each applicant appearing here today. Accordingly, on behalf of the committee, I certify that each applicant appearing here this afternoon does possess the requisite character and fitness to merit admission to the bar of the state of New York, and therefore I do hereby move for their admission.
The justices considered this motion earlier, and they have authorized me to grant the motion. I want to take this opportunity, Ms. Schwartz, to thank you for all the work you do on the admissions process. I also want to thank the members of the Committee on Character and Fitness who serve in a pro bono basis for the work they do on the admissions process.
Thank you.
The Honorable Margaret Soa, Deputy Clerk of the Court, will now administer the oath of office.
Good afternoon, Justice Friedman. Good afternoon, candidates. Candidates, please raise your right hand. I'll recite the oath in the form of a question. At the end, I'll ask you to unmute your mics and respond by saying, "I do." Do you solemnly swear or affirm to support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of New York, and to faithfully discharge the duties of the office of Attorney and Counsel at Law according to the best of your ability? Please unmute and respond.
I do.
I do.
Congratulations, attorneys. You may lower your hand and please remute your microphones.
I invite the members of the panel to unmute their microphones so that we can give the new attorneys a round of applause and congratulate them. It is the custom of the court for one of the justices to address the new attorneys. At this ceremony, the privilege falls to Justice Kennedy. Justice Kennedy.
Good afternoon, new lawyers, and welcome to the New York State Bar. I congratulate you, your family, and loved ones on this outstanding achievement. As a lawyer, you play a vital role in preserving, promoting, and protecting the rule of law. As you enter the profession and advance in your respective careers, I wish to borrow from the legendary comedian David Letterman to share Justice Kennedy's top 10 list in no particular order. 1, be authentic and be credible. It will be quite difficult to succeed in your career and to advance if you are labeled as someone who is not genuine or trustworthy. 2, be flexible. Very often, the path to success is not a straight line, but rather twists and turns, detours, and even bumps on the road. This is all a part of life. Have an open mind and an open heart, and be willing to chart a new course. Say yes to a new opportunity. Don't be afraid to take a chance. 3, acknowledge your mistakes, learn from them, and move on. The issue is when you repeat the same mistakes. 4, mentors and sponsors are both important, and you must know the difference. 5, run your own race and never harm anyone to advance your own career, because what goes around comes around, and you will always reap what you sow. 6, be nice and keep your ego in check. Although it is important to produce an excellent work product and to be viewed as a competent professional, workplace relations are essential. You will not move forward in your respective careers if you are not a likable person. Power, coupled with a lack of character, breeds contempt. It is an honor and privilege to be a lawyer. However, this power must be tempered with humility. 7, remember to adhere to high ethical standards. You will be required to observe and to abide by the rules of conduct to fulfill your professional responsibilities, to preserve the dignity of and respect for the legal profession. 8, the love of money is the root of all evil. Don't fall prey. There is nothing wrong with earning a high income. You need money to survive. However, don't sell your soul and compromise your values and sense of self to add a few more dollars in your bank account. Your law degree is an asset. Protect it, treasure it, nurture it. Be grateful. Receiving a degree is a privilege. And as a person with privilege, you have an obligation to give back and to pass it forward. Lastly, 10, remember to take time for yourself and to cherish your friends and families. Self-care is essential to your professional success. The airline attendant always instructs us to place our oxygen mask on first before we assist others. This same instruction should guide your everyday lives. And it's also important to have a trusted circle, those persons you can lean on and you can let your hair down with. Try to find a balance between work, life, and play. And if you believe in a higher power, call on that higher power to anchor and to sustain you. This is your charge. Once again, congratulations and welcome to the New York State Bar.
Thank you, Justice Kennedy. This admission ceremony is now concluded. Court is adjourned.
Thank you to the justices and Ms. Soa. The new attorneys will stay on with me. Congratulations to all of you. If anyone has any questions or comments, could be anything from when you first submitted your application until now, feel free to unmute.